We're still in here on a road we're calling Wolf Road. Leads back into 4 lots that haven't been seen yet. Reminder to the folks that have been out to Saratoga in the past, you want to come back out here and see these. There's quite a few of them where I've walked folks in and it been unbelievably long driveways, and now the driveways have been made all the way back into the home site. Basically just pick your house and start building whenever you choose. You don't have to build, you don't ever have to build if you want, but you can bring your own builder and start building whenever you like. This is the driveway coming in to this lot, number 10, and comes up this way here. Here we are continuing into lot 10, basically at the end of that gravel road. Beautiful home site here, quite a bit of the property in that direction, and still goes in this direction a good distance. Opened up a beautiful level home site here, pancake flat, riding trails out in the back, riding trails on the gravel road, barn site, shops, woodworking shop, anything you want just about within reason can be built back here. This is a beautiful home site, very private.